Anyway, the storm came. Wow, I mean, it just hit, and it was epic. And I'm thinking to myself, can you imagine some lunatic playing a fish in this right now? And then my rod goes off, the long one, which is the other end of the lake, and there's a storm with lightning. I've got to be honest, I was crapping myself. I thought any minute now, lightning's going to come down, it's going to be a huge arc wherever I'm standing, and it's just going to burn me to a crisp. But it didn't happen. I managed to get this fish in. It was a low 20, lovely fish, another typical mirror pool type young fish. It's going to grow on to be a beast. And yeah, I managed to get the rod back out. But I used binos this time. I didn't walk down the bank like I did last time, which took forever. I stood here and I used binos. I've got myself a set of Hawk EDs, which I think stands for extra dispersory, something like that. And I was able to really zoom in on the boat and watch it go 200 odd yards over the lake. And sorry, I think I just heard a deer over there again. And get the boat and the bait exactly where I wanted it. Now I don't know if it's in sand or silt or on a branch on the lake bed, that is, because I wasn't there, but I'm pretty sure it's in the zone for the morning. It's in the zone for now. We'll see what happens. I'm quite confident. I've got at least 3 rods where I left them originally. It's only that one that I had to take on that might be not quite where I wanted it, but it's got a critically balanced bait, so as it goes down it will just sit on top of whatever's there. Big heavy lead on it. I put a 5-ounce lead in it this time, and hopefully it will just drop off and I'll be able to get the fish in as soon as possible. That's if I get one. Now I've got to tidy up the bivvy because it's a mess. I mean, a proper mess. I've got a really bad back. I've got a sciatic nerve gone in my right arse cheek. And let me tell you how painful it is. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is on 26.7. I can't even touch my arse. Walking is a nightmare. Bending is a joke. And I've got to start really packing up tomorrow. I don't know how I'm going to do that. By the way, this halo light is brilliant, isn't it? It's like daylight. I'm not spooking the fish much either. It's great. I wish I could have it on a remote. And then anybody that approached the bivvy, like, bosh, turn it on. Like, back off. Welcome to this short inserted clip. The reason I've put this in here is to reach out to all you passionate carp anglers. Imagine coming over to France for a week with your buddies or your girlfriend or wife or whomever, on your own maybe, and having your session captured on film. That's right, imagine having your own carp fishing film. An hour long, music, drones, underwater, all that sort of stuff is all possible. And you have it locked down, your memories forever.